Hi guys, my name is Hassan. Look, nothing. Well, see what's happening. If you're watching this, I like you. If she's watching this, what? Are you kidding me? Hero Prime is in my world. Oh my god. I don't care because it's not real. Anyways, Gigi watching this, I like you, but I want to meet you somewhere. You're at Kuwait because I am at Kuwait. I'm sure she's at the Philippines. If Gigi watching this, I am sure you're at Philippines. Anyways, I'm telling you something sad, Gigi. You can't download Minecraft because it's 6 KD or 7 KD. You must tell your dad to download Minecraft to upload some videos. It's so easy. Well, you see this at my hand? See this? My hand. You know what is it? It's a bird. Some birds. And you know what? Oh my god. Oh my god, it looks like a stairs. I can't believe it. This, whoa, and this. Okay. You can, don't blow your mind, guys. You can even ride this. Look like a car. Wait, I can beat the cow when I'm riding my car. Kill the cow. Don't trust any cows. Don't even trust one. Okay? Come on, kill this cow. I'm gonna get you. Yes. Oh, I killed him. Need that. Whoa. Oh my god, it's darker. Oh yeah, this video is talking about the boat is can right here. Well guys, I can't see anything. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh my god, I'm look like somebody cut my neck. Help. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish JJ play games. I meet her. I want to meet her because she have 18 subscribers. I want to really touch the slime. I want to really how she make the slime. How to touch it because I didn't touch at my life a slime. Anyways, I hope JJ send for me a comment because I don't have any comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye. And I like you, JJ. You're the best YouTuber ever. So bye.